Hi, in this 3-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of a 30x30 carport from Allen's Factory Outlet, how to customize it to meet your needs, and installed for free on your property. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. Let's get started. The 30x30 carport transforms your outdoor space. It's a place to park your cars, but also an ideal setting for family gatherings, a covered workspace for your projects, or a personal gym area. But which partner should you trust to build this carport? Here's why choosing Allen's Factory Outlet will be the best decision you'll make. Reason number 1, full customization. With our 3D builder, you're in control. Select your color, choose a roof style, and add features such as windows and doors to make it distinctly your own. Get a space that's customized to your needs. Reason number 2, free installation. Setting up a carport is a significant task. That's why at Allen's Factory Outlet, we offer free installation. Not only do you save money, but you also get a reliable structure. You will keep it for decades. Reason number 3, weather resistance. Our carports come with secure anchoring systems, ensuring they remain firmly in place during storms. But that's not all. They are also engineered to bear significant snow loads. Rest easy knowing your vehicle and belongings are safeguarded year-round. Reason number 4, flexible payment. Ordering is a breeze with our hassle-free payment system. Just a small deposit is needed up front, and the balance is due upon delivery. And for peace of mind, all our carports are crafted with top-notch materials made in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Hear it firsthand from our satisfied customers.
My wife is used to having her car undercover. Now my wife can put her car under the carport and keep it fairly clean. I looked at different sites. A few of them had some bad reviews. A few of them had carports I didn't like. Then I found Allen's Outlet Factory. He had fantastic reviews. The carport were in range of what I was looking for.
Like Charles, over 13,000 clients left a 5-star review for Allen's Factory Outlet. Their carport. It became the talk of the neighborhood. Make the smart choice. Get a 30x30 carport today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.